Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 176 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I'm going to be trying out the LA Colors Lip Duo Contour Pencil in the shade Rock Candy. This is one of the new makeup products available at the Dollar Tree, so this was only $1. And you might recognize this product because already on my channel I tried it out in the Vanilla Latte shade, and I was blown away by how much I liked this. It was able to give me like an amazing ombre looking lip that was so flattering and beautiful. And the formula I loved. So I actually went back to the Dollar Tree and I bought it in all of the colors that they had available, and there were a lot of colors. So this is going to be the second color that I try out, and these colors look so pretty, like my perfect combination. We have a bright pink and a light metallic-y looking purple. If you want to see the video on the vanilla latte version, I'll be sure to link that down below. And of course, I like to mention that LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand. I think it's so cool that this comes with a sharpener built into the cap, which is just so easy and convenient because this is a big pencil, so it's hard to find pencil sharpeners that fit. And the fact that they've included this on a dollar store makeup product, that's really some nice added value. And then there's the fact that you get 2 different colors for $1. Like, such great value in this product. First, I'm gonna swatch each color. Such pretty pink, and then the metallic-y purple shade looks more like a light pink. Oh my gosh, so pretty. These are 2 of my favorite colors. I love pink so much, and I love metallic makeup. So we've got like everything I could want in a lip product right here. I am definitely going to create the ombre look. The packaging is so cute, how it gives you examples of how to wear the lip product, whether you just do one color or you do the ombre look with the darker shade on the outside, the lighter shade on the inside. So I'll start out by lining my lips in the darker pink shade. This is such a pigmented and creamy lip liner that another use of this product and all of the different colors of this product that I bought is to just use it as a lip liner. It glides on so creamy and the pigment is so nice that I could just use any color with any other lipstick, liquid lip gloss that I wanted. I don't just have to use it for filling in my entire lips. Oh my gosh, this might be one of the most beautiful lips I've ever seen on myself. I have to show you a zoomed in view of how amazing this looks. Like, the lip that I'm wearing right now looks like it must have taken so long to do. This lip just looks so above and beyond average makeup, in my opinion. But it was created so quickly and easily with a dollar store makeup product. I just feel like it looks so beautiful, but it feels great. It feels so comfortable on my dry lips, even though it's a pencil. It feels so creamy and smooth. My lips really do look hydrated and healthy. They don't look or feel dry at all. Let's do a kiss test to see the transfer. All right, so very light transfer. It's barely coming off at all on my hand. Just a little bit of the darker outline pink is showing up here, but it's still so fully intact on my lips right now. And I love how the ombre effect of putting a lighter, even more shimmery shade in the middle gives the illusion of having bigger, more plump lips, which is something I really want. I just feel like my makeup looks so impressive and I just want to go out and about and everyone's gonna be like, wow, that lipstick is so impressive. And I'm gonna be like, yeah, I know I'm like really skilled. But no, anyone can so quickly and easily create this amazing makeup look just by using this dollar store makeup product. Oh, like both of these look amazing. I don't even think I like one much more than the other. It's more just like, what color do you want to wear that day? I could even mix and match these. I'm so glad that I picked this up in more colors. I highly recommend that you check them out. If you do, be sure to let me know what you think of them. I'm so glad that this doesn't transfer because I want to wear this all day, all the time. I don't want this to ever come off of my lips because I love it so much. I feel like it looks so pretty, and thankfully it's going to be very long wearing. And let's not forget that this was only $1, so basically 50 cents per shade. Like, that's amazing to me. I love when I find such impressive makeup products for so cheap at the dollar store. I'm so excited to try out all of the colors that I got of this, so I'm really looking forward to trying those out in future videos. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any of those future videos. I upload every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like and comment, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.